I said vegetarian because I am a vegetarian.
Sir, now you are already eaten the chicken, sir. What we can able to do? Please give
What
me
you
feedback
can
on
able to do? No, I will able to put the chicken under your ass.
that. Sir, yesterday you are eaten chicken, sir. Why you are
No,
arguing
man,
on that?
I'm not eating chicken. I'm eating gobi. You bloody fool. You bloody dirty hotel. I will put this into newspaper.
Sir, what you will put in the newspaper, sir? You are ordered, we are given, sir.
If you are ordered means I will order your wife. You will give your daughter.
Boss, please don't use such a language, boss. You are come.
ನಾನು ಧರ್ಮ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ ಥೂ ನಿಮ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಾಕ
Sir,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ ಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಬದ್ ಸಾಯಿರೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ
Sir, why are you using such a language, sir?
ಸಚ್ಚ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ್ರ ಚಿಕನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಥೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ
Sir, you are ordered for chicken. That's why you are given the chicken, sir.
ಯಾರು ಚಿಕನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Sir, no, anyway, sir, you are eaten chicken, sir. How was your first time eating chicken experience? Tell us that, sir.
ಬ್ಲಡಿ ಸ್ಕೌಂಡ್ರಲ್
Yes, sir.
ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದ್ ಬ್ಲಡಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್.